Hello everyone. Today, we're going to set up CLion for Qt development. Qt is a fantastic framework for building cross-platform applications. CLion is a powerful IDE from JetBrains. Combining them unlocks a productive development workflow. Let's dive into configuring CLion to work seamlessly with Qt. First, you need to have both CLion and Qt installed. Make sure you have a compatible Qt version. Qt can be downloaded from the official Qt website. CLion requires a valid license or trial. Once Qt is installed, find the Qt installation path. We will need this later. Now, let's configure CLion. Open CLion and create a new project or open an existing one. Go to File-Settings or CLion-Preferences on macOS. Navigate to Build, Execution, Deployment-CMake. In the CMake settings, we need to tell CLion where to find the Qt installation. Click the plus button next to Environment. Add a new environment variable named Qt5_dir. Set its value to the path of the Qt CMake configuration directory. This directory is typically located within the Qt installation folder, usually under Qt installation path /Qt version /compiler/lib/make/Qt5. For example, it might look like C/Qt/6.5.0/MSVC 2019_64/lib/make/Qt5 on Windows. Or /user/Qt/6.5.0/macOS/lib/make/Qt5 on macOS. Replace placeholders with your actual Qt installation details. After setting Qt5_dir, click Apply and then OK. Next, we need to modify the CMakeLists.txt file in your project. Open the CMakeLists.txt file. Add the following lines to the file: set make_automock on and set make_autorc on. These lines enable automatic mock, meta-object compiler, and RCC resource compiler processing. Add the line find_package Qt5 components core widgets required to locate Qt components. Specify which Qt modules you need, such as core and widgets. Now, add the line target_link_libraries, $project_name, Qt5 core Qt5 widgets. This links your project with the Qt core and widgets libraries. Replace Qt5 core and Qt5 widgets with other Qt modules you are using. After modifying CMakeLists.txt, CLion will prompt you to reload the CMake project. Click Reload CMake project. CLion will now index the Qt headers and libraries. You can now start writing Qt code in CLion. Create a new Qt class or modify an existing one. Use Qt signals and slots mechanism. Design your user interface with Qt Designer, if needed. CLion provides code completion and other features for Qt development. Build and run your project. If everything is configured correctly, your Qt application should run without any issues. Congratulations! You've successfully configured CLion for Qt development. Experiment with different Qt modules. Explore CLion's features for Qt development. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe. Consider supporting the channel through Patreon or other means. Your support helps me create more content like this. Leave a comment below if you have any questions.